Hello student, in today's session we are going to solve exercise problem number 1 of common textbook page number 54. So far we have understood what is partnership form, partnership deed, meaning, definition, etc. But in today's session we are going to solve practical problem of common textbook page number 54. Okay, so I'm taking here today's first practical problem. So first I will explain you what is the problem, then we will solve it on screen by using Microsoft Excel. So we have an advantage of solving the problem on screen by using computer. So first problem is Amit Bhai and Narendra Bhai are partners sharing profit and losses equally. From the following trial balance and adjustment given below, you are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. So we have a trial balance, trial balance, list of closing balances of ledger account that we have studied in previous lecture. So we have a debit side, expenses side. So we have plant and machinery, all the revenue as well as capital nature expenditure written over here. So we have a one, this is new one, 10% government bond, 10% government bond securities we have invested, purchase on 1st October. So it is an hidden or internal adjustment. Okay. Then again, we have a advertisement for 2 years. It is also a hidden and internal adjustment. And we have a credit side as normal, capital, sales, bills payable, discounts, incomes, etc. Coming on the adjustments, because this final account question will be asked in the examination for 12 marks. Earlier, it was asked for the 15 marks. Now, as per the revised pattern of HSC board, it will be asked for the 12 marks in the examination. So we have a 5 adjustment here. The very first adjustment is stock on hand on 31st March 2019 was valued as 43,000. So we have to give 2 effects of each and every adjustment. So here we have a stock, closing stock at valued as 43,000. So first we'll record it on the credit side of trading account, and second it will be recorded on the balance sheet asset side. It's the closing stock at the end of the year. The second adjustment, uninsured goods worth rupees 8,000 were stolen. So here is the uninsured goods. The goods we do not covered under the insurance. So it is the total loss of the firm or the business partnership firm. So here it is a loss of the business, and again it is related with the goods. So we have recorded in the previous session, we have seen that on the credit side of trading account, we record items related with goods or stock. So it's a goods loss. So we have to record in the credit side of trading account first effect, and second effect will be recorded on the profit and loss account as a 8,000 loss. Third adjustment, create RDD at a rate of 2% on sundry debtors. Create RDD 2% on sundry debtors. So we have to check the debtors and calculate 2% as a bad debts, RDD. Fourth adjustment is till our customer become insolvent and could pay his debts of rupees, could not pay his debts of rupees 500. So one of our customer, buyer, debtor, become insolvent and he cannot pay 500, which is he borrowed from us. The goods purchased on credit and now is unable to pay the amount. So this 500 will be deducted first from the debtor. Then after we have to charge this 2%. This is the only thing which you have to understood. What adjust number 4 will be calculate first, means we have a data, have a look on the data where it is written. Third item on the trial balance is sundry debtors. This sundry debtors I will calculate here on the screen. Sundry debtors. How much the amount? 28,700. 28,700. less new RDD. The amount which is cannot be recovered from the data is rupees 500. So first we have to deduct it. The total will be 28,200. On this amount, we have to charge how much? 2%. £2.100. So we have to charge in this 28,200. So I will calculate here. 28,200 multiplied by 2% divided by 100, which come to rupees 564. Again, we have to minus it from the amount. How much? 564. So we have to minus it from the 28,200 minus 564. The remaining will be shown on the balance sheet asset side. So I will take here, minus it from the 28,200, 27,600 and copy. This amount will be recorded on the balance sheet asset side. Understood? How to calculate? First, sundry debtor which is given on the trial balance debit side 28,700. As it is, we have to write it on the balance sheet asset side. Less RDD 500. The remaining balance is 28,200. Now 2% of this is 564 as we have calculated right now. So minus this 564. So the remaining balance will be this much. I will make it highlight. So it will be appear 27,636 on the balance sheet asset side. Now coming on the adjustment, next adjustment. Adjustment number 5, outstanding expenses rent rupees 800 and salary is 300. Students, while we studied the adjustment and its two effects, in that session, I clearly explained whenever we have outstanding expenses, that outstanding we have sign of plus. So we have to plus this outstanding expenses on rent and salary. So outstanding means we have to pay this amount to the in form of rent and salary, which is pending. We did not make a payment during the current academic year. So here is the rent is rupees 800 outstanding that we have to show on the liability side, and salary is rupees 300 which we have to show on the again liability side, and this much amount will be added on the profit and loss account in rent 800 and salary rupees 300. Now the last adjustment, depreciate factory building 2,500 and furniture rupees 1,800. Students, it is very clearly given here. Instead of calculating depreciation amount, direct amount of depreciation is given to us. On building, we have to charge 2,500. So from the building amount, the building is written somewhere on the debit side. Where is the building? Here's the building, factory building 75,000. So we have to deduct this much amount 2,500 show on the balance sheet. And again, how much is 1,800 from the furniture? We have to deduct and show on the balance sheet. And this much what we have deducted, we have to show it on the profit and loss account debit side. Okay. Now I simplify the problem. Now we have to solve it in Excel sheet. Before solving, wait a minute.